Just recording my pritong isda because why not? It's so satisfying for me and this can help increase my appetite. Making sure it's squeaky clean para kain lahat pati ulo. Then, hihiwaan lang sa bandang gilid para manuot yung lasa at maluto ng husto. At papahiran lang ng asin. Asin lang, wala nang iba. Pero syempre, pwede kayong maglagay ng others sa inyo. Your food, your rules. Make sure to do the other side. It's cooking time! Flipping time! It is really one of my favorites since childhood. And that frying sound is so satisfying. And it's done. At inayos ko pa talaga para pretty tingnan. And I paired this with pipino na may kamatis at sibuyas. Perfect! Let's go! Tara, kain!